What's up everyone? On this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to properly foam roll your glute medius and your glute maximus, also known as your booty. As far as your glute medius and maximus goes, most people don't have pain into those areas unless they have some kind of issue with their nervous system where a nerve is going through that area and is creating discomfort, kind of like sciatica, right? However, when people don't have discomfort immediately and we work on them in our office, we'll dig into their glutes to kind of stretch things out, and they'll almost jump off the table and they had no idea they had discomfort in their glutes. Well, the reason why that is because just like your hamstrings, people are sitting a lot more often than they should. And because of that, it's creating issues in the glutes, which then creates issues in the pelvic complex. So because of that, doing foam rolling and stretching is a really great option to use if you sit a lot or if you want to take your athletic performance to the next level. Now, with your glute medius, the glute medius is responsible for extension at the hip, but also abduction of the hip. So it'll externally rotate here and abduct at the hip. And the glute maximus is the primary hip extensor here in the backside of your leg. So for that reason, if you have tight glute medius or maximus, this can create external rotation of your hips and legs. So when you go into a squat, or if you're just walking in general, if you have tight muscles in your butt, then it will rotate your legs out and can potentially create extension at your hip. So it can give you almost like a booty butt, right? So by doing foam rolling and stretching out, it can help with some alleviation of those tight muscles. So with the glute medius and maximus, it's very simple. You just want to go right there onto your buttocks and roll back and forth through this area, and you even want to kind of come into that tensor fascia lata, because that's also where some of the glute attachments go into the hip there. And then roll to the other side, so go more midline and just roll back and forth nice and slowly, because the glutes are really not a big area unless you've got a big butt like me. So when you go back and forth just like this, just try and find some trigger points or any kind of tenderness. And if you do find a spot, so like that for me right there, I'm gonna slowly roll over this. I'm not gonna do one of these numbers. I'm just gonna find it and sit on it and slowly roll through here until I feel that it works out on its own. And then from there, it should help lessen the strain on the external rotation and extension of the hip that a lot of people have a chronic issue with. So by going back and forth through here, find those spots, and then just like always, go to the other side and do the left butt cheek. So try that out, should help you a good bit. Now I know I make jokes about the butt and the glute and everything like that, but when you start doing these activities and these routines over and over, eventually you will find not only will it help you in the gym, but it will help you at work if you're sitting too much. We know that in this day and age, people are sitting at home doing a lot of work from home now. So by doing foam rolling and stretching techniques of your lower extremity in particular, man, it is going to make a huge difference in your life, day-to-day activity, and then also your pain levels and functionality will change drastically. So I hope you enjoyed this series of the lower extremity portion. If you are just tuning into this one, there's multiple other lower extremity videos that I've shot about everything from the hamstrings, the calves, tensor fascia lata, IT band, the quadriceps, the adductors as well. So check those videos out, and if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do and you enjoy these kind of things as far as athletic performance, fitness, nutrition, weight loss, longevity, and the areas to try and make your life as great as possible, please comment, subscribe, like my video. It really helps me get these out to more people just like you who want to learn and get better every day. Thanks so much, guys, and I appreciate your support.